Good morning. We are currently at Agumbe at a place called Malia's Guest House. Suri and I. अभी हम निकल रहे हैं अगुम्बे से. We are going to go to श्रृंगेरी and वहाँ से हम आगे निकलेंगे towards कुद्रेमुख. It was a nice evening. Now let's show you what happened in the ride ahead.
So this is where we've started from Agumbe. As you can see, the Karnataka roads are beautiful. The little sun filtering through the trees and the beautiful rolling carts and our ability to lean on the curves is all so fantastic and awesome. Like we always do, we want to find something off the road. So we were looking left and right and we saw that there's a river on the side. So what better to do than go down to the riverside. So this is on the way beyond Sringeri, moving towards Kudremukh, where we found this little spot by the side of the river. As you can see, it's beautiful. So what better to do now but to take some photographs. Well, you can see we both are posing, enjoying this morning sun beside the river. We had a little snack and then it was time to continue. The road continued beautifully towards Kudremukh Wildlife Sanctuary National Park. There is a little spot here, or there is a Kudremukh Sanctuary checkpost which comes. At this checkpost, they would stop you, make a note of your bike, details, give you a little card to say you have to cover 40 kilometers in 1 hour, and if you don't, there will be a fine. I don't know what would happen. We actually managed it within an hour. So we continued on the beautiful roads, came to a place called Kadambi Falls. Lots of people were there, but really not much in the falls. Moving ahead, lovely scenery on the way Kudremukh area. Stopped for some breakfast. And then it was time to actually move further. So beyond this place, this is at the end of Kudremukh, where we had breakfast. And then we moved beyond that towards this place called Hornadu. And this is the beautiful ride towards Hornadu. Then we cross Hornadu, and after that there's a little left turn at the town of Hornadu, where there is a little, it's mostly a temple town, I think. So there's a little trail which goes, or little road which goes, and now we are heading towards this place called Kyatnammaki Hills. You saw that pointer right on top, that's where we are heading. You can see me point at it again, and there we are. So see, that's where we are going. We're going to now climb up. From here you can't see it in the camera, but we could see one or two little jeeps going up. So the Kyatnammaki Hills are such that yes, it's a tough off-road. So the off-road is a little difficult. There are some jeeps, so mostly it's 4x4s which take tourists up to that spot. But that's what we thought, but then we saw that there are some bikers, and the lighter the bikes, the better it is, because they bounce their way up. We were nicely loaded. Firstly, of course, because our bikes are heavy. Second, because we were carrying luggage. We were loaded up. So anyways, we decided to take the climb up to Kyatnammaki Hills. After all, the tougher the roads, the better the destination, the more beautiful the scenery. So, well, we still didn't know what the scenery would be like, but let's find out. So slowly we started climbing, and as you can see, there's a lot of mud, gravel, stones, and before you know it, there's something which is going to come in front. But anyway, it's really narrow, so we were wondering, we hope nothing comes from in front, and there you have it. We had a 4x4 Jeep which came, a Thar which came in front of us. I had to move towards the left to ensure that he can go through. And then I realized I was stuck in a rut. And that rut would not allow me to come out very easily. And there we had a little bit of spill. A little spill only, got the bike up. And then Suri, as you can see, was having a little bit of a challenge coming out of the same area as me. But we learned from the other's mistakes and he managed it smoothly. And slowly we moved up. And then the climb starts. So we hadn't actually started the climb yet, so now the climb starts. You can see this section, while in the camera it doesn't look too scary, but what happens is there are a whole lot of bumps and with mud, with bumps, with narrow stretch, it is a bit of a challenge. Not so much, but it is. And then we had these big stones which came up afterwards, and of course we saw people walking on the track. And then we saw bikers coming down, and then we said, oh, these bikers have come down, so we should be able to go up. And we smoothly went up after that. So enjoy the ride. And here we start nearing the top, and as we near the top we suddenly realized, wow, the scenery is absolutely beautiful. We had this steep incline. From here it doesn't look that steep from the camera, and the bigger challenge was because of jeeps having gone through, they had made these ruts on the track. So we had this very narrow patch to start climbing up, but we did, and it was fun. Seeing what would be at the top. So you've heard that phrase that the bear went over the mountain to see what he could see, and all that he could see was the other side of the mountain. But that's not the case here. The scenery was absolutely beautiful. We saw tourists up there. Then we saw this area where there were lots of people right at the top, and we said no, if we need to get some photographs, we need to go down. So we looked at a little spot towards the right hand side and said that's a good place to go get some pictures. So that's where we went, and moving down we head there. This guy I think was trying to stop us and trying to tell us that this is not where you can go, you're not allowed to go, but we didn't manage to figure it out till later when he came to us and said you're not allowed to be here. But anyway, so let's look at the view here, see some of the pictures, because the scenery was absolutely breathtaking. It was awesome, bilkul. I mean, it was more than worth it. It was fantastic, and I just felt like spending the whole day there, but then of course we had somewhere else to go. So guys, we are at a place called Kyamatmaki top. This is the area. We've come from Hornadu, which is there, and Kudremukh is that side, udhar. So हम actually निकले थे उधर से आज Agumbe, somewhere that side, पूरा चक्कर मार के we've come up to Kyamatmaki,
हम चढ़े, इफ़ यू कैन सी दैट लिटिल रेड हाउस वहाँ पे, वहाँ से पूरा ऑफ रोड करते हुए ये ऊपर, क्वाइट एन एक्सट्रीम ऑफ रोड इट इज़। यहाँ वी वेंट अप देयर, लेकिन वहाँ बहुत लोग हैं तो हम लोग अभी इधर आ गए हैं। एंड इफ यू कैन सी दीज आर आवर बाइक्स, द व्यू वेयर वी आर। If you feel this view is worth it, you must come here. Here and there we are.
So after all this, it was time to take a few customary pictures, and after all, we could not get enough pictures of this area. It is absolutely fantastic. Guess what Suri is pointing at? You got it right, it's another off-road, and we're going to plan that sometime in the future. Stay tuned, hope you liked this video. So if you liked it, please click like, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you on the future videos. Thanks.